Kristina here. I am filming this intro for like the third time. I couldn't get it right the first two. But anyways, I'm gonna try my best to get through this. I figured I would show you how I got the glowing skin look in a quick tutorial. I get questions a lot online and in my personal life how I get my skin to look the way that it does and have the acne scars that I do and be able to wear this look. So I figured I would show you guys in this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on that notification bell so you know every time I post a video, even though it's every Wednesday if you look at my banner. And also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know if you guys use any of the products that I listed down below. And also, let me know where you're coming from, whether it be through YouTube or through social media, or whether you know me in my personal life and you end up watching this video, because I know a few of you do. And also, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, which will be down below, and it's also at the end of this video, so yeah. Anyways, if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching.
Let's break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love.
Writings on the wall inside my head, inside of me. Holding all these thoughts beneath my skin. Can you believe in all?
But I know they'll never own me.
I don't like them innocent. I don't want no face fresh.
Eyes faded flutter again, and my mouth filled hair.
Okay, that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was kind of informative, and if you guys end up trying this, let me know trying any of the products that I listed down below. Out of all the products that I used, I would definitely recommend the Chrissy X Cravings gift set because I used all the products in this gift set and it's amazing. I definitely recommend this specifically. I don't know where this is from just because I got it as a gift from my cousin for Christmas, but I am obsessed with this, so thank you. You know who you are. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe down below and turn on the post notifications because YouTube is really weird, and if you don't, then you probably won't get any of my videos in your subscription box. Also, make sure to follow me on all my social medias. It'll be down below and at the end of this clip. And yeah, I will see you guys next Wednesday. Bye!